Paris, 1940. The Nazi war machine tightens its grip on France. The streets are patrolled by Gestapo officers. Jewish families are ripped from their homes. Deportation trains roll toward Auschwitz. But in the heart of the city, the Grande Mosquée de Paris stands as a testament to a remarkable chapter in history, a story of courage, unity, and shared humanity amidst the shadows of war. During World War II, the Grande Mosquée de Paris rector C. Kadur bin Gabrit, a quiet but fearless Algerian diplomat, faced an impossible choice: obey the Nazis or risk everything to save lives. This is the Grande Mosquée de Paris, a place of prayer, peace, and resistance. Founded in 1926, this mosque was built as a tribute to the Muslim riflemen who fought valiantly for France during World War I. In the aftermath of the Battle of Verdun in 1916, and is in the honor of around 70,000 Muslim casualties of the World War I. Its stunning architecture, inspired by the Islamic style of Granada and Fez, welcomes visitors of all faiths, offering a serene escape in one of the world's busiest cities. Ben Gabrit made his decision. Using the mosque's underground tunnels, he sheltered Jewish by giving them fake identity papers, declaring them Muslim to shield them from deportation. Albert Assolin, a Jewish resistance fighter who escaped a Nazi prison, later testified that at least 1,700 Jewish found refuge in the mosque. Historians debate the exact number, but all agree Ben Gabrit's actions were heroic. The plan was daring. Jewish children were given Muslim names, Fatima, Ahmad, for example, and taught a few Quranic verses. The mosque's hammam, bathhouse, became a hiding spot. Some Jewish even posed as a mosque staff. Deri Pirkani, an Algerian filmmaker, discovered a register in the 1970s listing children with Muslim names, likely Jewish kids in disguise. His 1991 documentary on resistance oubliée, a forgotten resistance, brought this story to light. But the Nazis grew suspicious. A 1940 French memo warned that the mosque was issuing fake papers. Ben Gabrit's actions didn't go unnoticed. He faced interrogation and threats from German forces, yet he remained steadfast in his commitment to save lives. His courage earned him the title of the Muslim Schindler. After the war, Ben Gabrit received France's highest honor, but Israel never granted him the title Righteous Among the Nations. Some say records were lost, others point to political tensions, yet his bravery endures. In 2011, director Ismail Farouki immortalized this story in Free Men movie. He interviewed historians and Ben Gabrit's family, proving that even in humanity's darkest hour, compassion crossed religious lines. Also, other resources such as Yad Vashem Archives, Robert Satloff Among the Righteous 2006, French colonial documents 1940s, interviews with historian Benjamin Stora and Ethan Katz. Plus, I'm going to list in the description box below more links to other articles that you can check yourself. Today, the Grande Mosque still stands, a symbol of hope or a place of worship, but as a symbol of resilience and unity. It reminds us that in times of darkness, acts of kindness can illuminate the path to coexistence. Its garden, once a refuge for the hunted, now welcome visitors of all faiths. Because in the end, this isn't just a Muslim story, it is a story of courage and what it means to be human. If you find this story inspiring, please share it. Give a subscribe. Some heroes don't wear caps, they wear prayer robes, and their light still guides us today. Who will you stand up for? That's a question for you to answer. Please check out the resources in the description box. If you have any comments, any discussion, I will be more than happy that I can see it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you peace as you should have. Thank you.